So finally getting round to catch up with some of our students about their experience with lectures earlier in the year. We trialled it for the first time during the lockdown, but it was really important to us as a school to think about how that went for students from their point of view and think about what they might value from it moving forward. So we sat down with a little bit of a focus group and gave students with all kinds of different opinions the opportunity to tell us in their own words how they felt towards it, whether it worked or not, so we can bear it in mind for our future plans. Student voice is really important to us as a school, particularly as there are so few students that we really can take their opinions into account and try and design something that they can engage well with and that they're really going to like, but also to feel valued in the school, that what they say does make a difference and that we do make the time to ask them about how things are going from their point of view, so that they can help us to create the curriculum as we go along. So I wanted a focus group so that students that had sort of opposing opinions would have a chance to have a dialogue about it, and through that we can start thinking about the different sorts of learners we've got in the school and how a one-size-fits-all approach can not really going to work, and so that we can adapt it. So to decide which students to invite, I needed to think about who had a strong opinion one way or the other. So the first stage of this focus group was a questionnaire that pretty much all the students took part in, where they told me whether they preferred the lectures to other styles of provision that we had earlier in the year, or vice versa, how much they got out of it, whether they found it easy to progress with or more difficult. And from that I picked out 4 students that were in quite different positions and with how they felt about the particular issue of lectures for learning. And some of them that really loved it and would love us to do pretty much everything we do that way, to those that really disliked it and that needed something quite different. So again, it was about listening to what they had to say, to know who had something interesting to tell us, and from that hopefully we can make what we do a little bit better for everybody.